All right, boys and girls, we're going to practice our spelling words today using our crayons. So, if you want to get your crayons out, we're going to choose the different colors and write our spelling words with different colors. So if you look up at the top, here is brown, and the word next to it is hot. So choose your brown crayon and write hot. Good. And you can cross this off because we've done it. So our next color is pink. Find your pink crayon, and we're going to write the word not under pink. N-O-T. And if you don't have these colors, it's okay. You can just use your pencil. The next color is red. We're going to write log under red. L-O-G. Good. Gray and black are basically the same thing. So you can just do black for gray, and jog is the word that we're going to write there. So write jog. J-O-G. Cross it off. Our next color is orange, and that is fog. So let's find it and write it. F-O-G. Very good. Okay, let's see our next one. Our next one is going to be yellow, and that's on. On is easy. It's O-N. On. Cross that off. The next color we have is blue. We're going to write dot. D-O-T for dot. Our next color is green, and it is the word dog. D-O-G. Dog. Our next color is black, and it is box. B-O-X. And our last word is purple, and it is cot. C-O-T. Very good, boys and girls. And again, if you didn't have the colors, it's okay. Just use your pencil. Go ahead and put these in your mailbox and start on Lexia.